Are you thinking about buying a home? Your credit score is going to play a huge role here of getting approved for a mortgage. But here's the good news. You don't need perfect credit to qualify. With the right strategies, you can boost your score and unlock better loan options. Let's talk about it. So how do you view your credit score in the first place? You can check free apps. We got Credit Karma, Mint, annual reports, Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. All these apps can help you see where your score is. But what I can help you is I can also do a soft poll as well to see where it's at. So let's first talk about what affects your score. So first is going to be payment history. How long you've had it. That's going to be a big one. They're going to see, can you make consistent payment on time? Secondly is going to be your limit. Do you have a $1,000 limit? You want to stay under that 30% ratio. So if you keep paying that ratio every single time, that's going to raise your credit score. So when we're talking to clients of how to help them with their credit, we analyze that and say, how many, credit liabilities do you have? Let's take a look at each of those to make sure that you're under that 30% limit. That's going to be huge. And then obviously consistently paying on time. My number one rule of thumb is always opt in for auto pay. No matter what, you always want to opt in because auto pay is going to save your bacon. If you're on vacation or let's say something happens and heaven forbid you forget, you do not want to have a late payment on your credit. It's going to hurt your credit. So do the auto pay, keep it under 30%. Another thing that I'd say that's a good tip is that let's say you have a $1,000 credit on your credit card, but you make a lot of money. Well, call the creditor or go online and try to get an extension of your credit limit. So for example, try to get $2,000, try to get $3,000. I'm not saying go in and make a huge, payment on something else now and raise your debts, right? I am just saying that you can do literally nothing sometimes by extending that credit limit, and it gets you under 30% and continue to, use your current budget. So don't go out and spend a ton. It's just a tip there. So improving your credit obviously is overwhelming, right? But it doesn't have to be. So if you're preparing to buy a home, reach out. I can help you. I have credit specialists that I can get you introduced to. They're really, really good. I'm not a credit specialist, but I see credit a lot. So even just my tips alone can help you and figure out little tweaks here and there to get you to the right place that you need to. And a lot of times, guys, sometimes FHA is better for you if your credit's in the 600s. It's a great loan. So let's talk about the loan scenarios that make sense for you as well. But if you have any credit issues, we can get you in touch with credit specialists. I also offer free credit strategy consultations that can help you. Yeah, obviously, if I have to really tinker in and help with your credit, we're going to get you with a credit specialist. But for advice, I definitely can give you that. And sometimes my advice helps. So schedule yours today and let's chat.